Meaning of grouping.
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 Grouping. Grouping refers to the process of dividing items into specific categories based on certain criteria. The outcome of grouping is a set of distinct clusters that share common characteristics or properties. These clusters can be formed using various methods such as hierarchical, k-means, or DISCAN clustering algorithms. Grouping plays an essential role in data analysis and can be utilized in diverse fields like marketing, customer segmentation, social network analysis, and image recognition. Accurate grouping helps in identifying patterns, making predictions, and gaining deeper insights into complex data sets.